everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm back here with another pick a card reading. This is to let you know what is your person feeling about you right now or how they are feeling about you at this point in time. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Art of Tarot deck with the green jade crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal on top. You could put your video on hold, think about your person, think about their feelings about you, and try and tap into the energies of these piles. The more you try and connect with these piles, the more accurate your reading gets. I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. Also, please remember these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what people who've chosen pile number 1 have in store for them, what your person is thinking about you, how they are feeling about you at this point in time. Think about your person at this point in time while I'm shuffling the cards for you. There's some kind of a confusion going on at present in your relationship or in this situation that you're in. Your person is definitely working hard towards trying to get things sorted out or trying to, prove themselves with a clean slate. Maybe you're a little overburdened or thinking too much about this situation. You might be feeling that there is some kind of a hidden agenda in this situation from your person's side, or you're just feeling that maybe your person is not true to you, or something on those lines. Your person, their feelings towards you or towards this particular situation at this point in time is to definitely prove themselves right. They're very hopeful, they are trying to be very opportunistic when it comes to this situation. They want to take this whole relationship or this whole situation to a new beginning. They want to remove any past feelings of negativity or some kind of an emotional trauma that's gone in the relationship, or they want to just remove the feelings of confusion that are coming in your mind. They are working towards this. They are maybe in a situation of a lot of stress, a lot of argument that's going on, because they are wanting to prove themselves right. But their feelings towards you is definitely they want to meet you. They want to, maybe you're expecting a patch up or a reunite, just reuniting with you, or trying to solve things towards a better positive relationship for tomorrow. They want to just explain to you that they are in the right and they are true to you, and your person is the right person for you. People who've chosen pile number 1, so try and remove any kind of feeling of negativity or that extra burden that you are taking in this whole situation, because your person is definitely feeling a lot of positivity towards you. They want to just clear everything towards a new tomorrow, and they're attracted to you, they are attached to you. They want this bond to grow further. They're expecting a new beginning, they're working towards a new beginning with you, people who've chosen pile number 1. So it's important for you to give your person that chance, that second chance, or that ear that they are wanting to. They just hear them out, just listen to what they have to tell you. And for some of you who've chosen pile number 1, if you're just feeling that your person is trying to dominate you, or your person is unnecessarily trying to do things their own way, just try and understand why it's happening, or try and see the whole thing from their perspective. They are very true to you, they are committed to you, and they are wanting to take this relationship to the next level, or to a remove this whole negativity from the relationship. If there's some anger, if there's some quarrel that's happened, they're just trying to clean everything which has just messed up things. And maybe that's why you're feeling that they are little dominating, or they are like trying to control you. But just listen to them, give them that chance. They're very overburdened, and maybe they themselves are feeling that they are being dominated, or they are being just unnecessarily, somebody is being unfair to them. So you need to give them that chance. Your person is very hopeful. Like I said in the beginning, their feelings towards that you are true. They are true to you, and they are wanting a partnership. They are wanting a commitment from your end. They are wanting to take the relationship to the next level. And I do see partnerships on the cards. Maybe it's taking some time, 3.5 weeks to about a month, for people who've chosen pile number one, for things to just settle down. And just go with the flow. Trust your person, trust the universe, trust the almighty, that things are planned in the best manner possible for you. And you won't be hurt. Bring peace in the situation. Stay away from negative people. Stay away from negativity, people who've chosen pile number one, because your person's feelings are true to you, and their whole idea of this relationship is very pure, it's very peaceful, it's very committed to you. So maybe you are the one who just needs to relax and give them that time, give them that uh, you know freedom to let them speak, let them tell you what's there in their mind. You need to release your negativity that you have in yourself. People who've chosen pile number one, towards the relationship or towards the current situation, your emotions are running very high. You're just taking extreme tension, extreme stress, or maybe you're just being very overburdened because of this situation. So just release the negativity. Don't take so much stress. Give out rather than take. So just give out your feelings, give your person that time, that space to work things out. And you need to work through your fears, people who've chosen pile number one, in this relationship, towards the relationship. Confidence is the key to your success, and also trust your person. Trusting your person is very important, people who've chosen this pile. And like I said in the beginning, and I'm again repeating, your person is definitely working towards getting things right between you and them. So it is a time of struggle. It is a time of tension for both of you, because things aren't clear. You need to talk, you need to communicate. 28 days from now, people who've chosen pile number one, I do see the relationship getting back to where it was, or just a beginning of a new start in this relationship. Give your person that time, trust your person, because their feelings towards you at this point in time are definitely pure and positive, and they want a change in this relationship. They're trying to make things work for the better, for a long term commitment in the relationship. That's what they're trying. So maybe you're feeling dull, maybe you're feeling stagnant at this point in time in the relationship, but remember, it's for a better tomorrow, it's for a bigger future. They are looking at the bigger picture. That is why this whole thing is looking very messy at this point in time. You're not understanding what is going on in their mind right now, because they are not giving emphasis to the petty things in life. They're working for the bigger picture. They're working for a better tomorrow for you and them. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number one. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number two, the Art of Tarot deck. How is your person feeling about you at this point in time? What are their feelings towards you? People who've chosen pile number two, your person is in a very, say, positive, very in a world of fantasy, I should say. They are in a fairy tale at this point in time. They are wanting to celebrate with you. Their feelings towards you are happy. They're moving in the right direction. Maybe you both have just some of you who've chosen pile number 2 have just got married, or you have just finally, made that commitment towards each other. And there is a, you know sudden bout of love that's oozing out in between you and your person. And the relationship is definitely going to the next level. I see your person very hopeful, very happy, very positive towards this whole situation at this point in time. Maybe this is a long waiting period that's gone by, and finally they have achieved this, what they were longing for. They are very content right now in this situation. Their feelings towards you, they've finally achieved what they've been wanting to. And also remember that your person has maybe struggled a lot to gain this whole happiness that they've finally achieved. So they are just a little skeptical about the people around them, and they're just maybe feeling that hope this dream or this fairy tale doesn't just end. They are in that feeling of winning. They want to be victorious when it comes to this relationship. And since maybe the last few months or weeks have gone by in a lot of stress or in a lot of tension, whether this will work or not, they're finally in that mood of celebration. They want to celebrate with you. They just want to enjoy this moment with you. But yes, at the same time, their feelings are very positive towards you. They are definitely wanting to be happy with you. But it's just that because this is a long achieved, this is something that they've achieved with a lot of struggle, or with some kind of a lot of stress and coming from the past. They're just a little skeptical about negative people. They just hope that this is just not going to end soon. They're a little scared. They're just being a little cautious of the people around them. And they just don't want to get cornered with the wrong people, or they don't want people to eye this relationship. But overall, I do see a happy situation, a happy period going on between you and your person. And their feelings towards you are definitely happy and joyful. You mean the world to them. That's what your person is feeling at this point in time, that they have finally achieved the world. They have got whatever was on their mind. And their wait is over. People who've chosen pile number 2, your person's wait is over right now. So they just want to live each moment in with great happiness. They want to live in this moment. And they are very emotionally attached to you. And you can just trust them. You can rely them. Let them be innocent child, like they've achieved this thing, and they just can't contain their happiness. People who've chosen this particular time to a pile. So the cards are definitely advising you to make this journey more happy, full of happiness. Make it more memorable for your person, and try and make your own trail. Just do things that make your person happy. Trust your intuition, people who've chosen pile number 2 in this situation. And if you also feel that there are certain people to stay away from, or there are certain negative people around you who could just unnecessarily cause a mess in the situation, just try to be away from them. Trust your intuition. And this is a wonderful time for you to just relax and make the best choices. People who've chosen pile number 2, since your person is absolutely hopeful, they are keen, they are wanting to just be with you, celebrate with you. You just need to make the right choices of not letting the negative people come in your life. You need to seek clarity, and a new positive change is coming in your life. People who've chosen pile number 2, whether in this whole relationship. So just release any kind of fear. If you have any fear, or even if your person, like I said, they're a little cautious, they're a little fearful about what tomorrow really holds. So just try and be with your person. Try and connect to your person. Also, it's important for you to just get enlightened. People who've chosen this particular pile, maybe some kind of a spiritual growth at this point in time will help you further in this relationship. But like I said, a positive change is coming in the relationship. Yes, it's definitely coming. Both the art of tarot deck as well as the mystical wisdom cards have confirmed that balance is definitely coming to you in this particular relationship. and a big change is coming. Any stresses that were there coming from the past are now ready to move. Slow and steady, you need to be watchful, you need to just take care of the people that you're. I'm again warning people who've chosen this pile, since this is a happy period in your life, this is a celebration that's there on your person's mind. Make sure that nobody gets to spoil this time. An unnecessary intrusion of negative people will just give stress to you and your person. But overall your person is feeling very you know close to you, very happy about you. They just feel that whatever was due to them has finally been given to them, and it's come with a lot of struggle, so they feel that now the struggle is over. And maybe there was a lot of confusion in the past in this particular relationship, or whether to be in the relationship or not to be, or how will things happen. Finally they feel that justice has been done. Like I said, balance has come, and whatever was due to them, whatever they were like longing for, has finally been given to them, people who've chosen pile number 2. So just enjoy this phase, be happy, go with the flow. There might be phases of stagnancy, dullness, ups and downs, but it's all normal, it's all a part and parcel of this whole uh, journey. But eventually you and your person are definitely together, and your person definitely wants to take this further. It's the card of the lovers. They are attracted towards you, they are attached to you, they are wanting to take this commitment to the next level, they want to complete this journey with you. So if you have any kind of stresses or confusions in your mind, just listen to your intuition. That's what the cards guided you, the mystical wisdom cards, and that's what the art of tarot deck is also guiding you to do. Listen to your gut feeling, listen to your intuition, and for that, great spiritual enlightenment is required of people who've chosen pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. You could also send me your requests for general readings. I'll be happy to do them. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. How is your person feeling about you right now in this situation? What are their feelings for you in this current situation? People who've chosen pile number 3, some kind of a you know negative experience, or some kind of a tragedy, or say something between you and your person has definitely taken place at this point in time, and it's brought a lot of stress, it's brought a lot of hurt in this relationship, in this situation. Your expectations or your person's expectations haven't been really fulfilled. There was a lot of expectation that was there, but things haven't really fulfilled the way they should have. And maybe your person is feeling a little as if something just has not taken place, or your confusion, you are a little confused in the relationship. You don't know the right decisions that need to be made, and that has what made the person very bitter, or they just don't know where they stand in your life. Maybe you mean the world to them, but for you it's not the same. It's maybe a little confusion. If you have to take the decision, you're still weighing the pros and cons, whether you need to be in the relationship or not, or something on those lines has taken place. So your person at this point in time is hurt. They are hopeful that things will turn, but yes, they do feel that there has been an intrusion, or there has been some kind of a backbiting in the relationship. They are waiting for things to get better, they are waiting for this whole scenario to change. Maybe the situation has gone out of hand from their end, because they don't really know what to do. They're just ignoring the situation because it feels that it's not in their hands. how to deal with this whole situation. So they're just feeling very dull, they're feeling slow, they're feeling stagnant. There's a lot of loneliness or a lot of there's this, they've just felt dull in this whole situation because they are low, they are alone, and they are like looking for help, for somebody to intrude and help in this relationship or convince you to work out things. Because from their end it's definitely that they want to, they like you, they want to be with you, but from your end, because of this confusion, because of this whole negative attitude that maybe you've shown them, or you've not been able to show them that you're sure about this whole contentment, so your person is eagerly waiting for you to patch up with them or to call them or to connect with them. They're in a lot of stress in this whole situation, and they've just left everything to the universe, to the almighty, and they're hoping for you to take a just decision to solve things out. And they are waiting, basically. That's the whole situation. Their feelings are true, they're positive, you mean the world to them, but they can't really do anything in this situation because they just feel that it's you who needs to take the final call in this particular situation. So they're just waiting, they're just hanging on, hoping the universe to take some action, hoping to go in the right direction. They're just waiting. People who've chosen pile number 3, they want things to come under their control. It's going to take some time, maybe a week or 10 days or something, but they are also feeling socially neglected. They're just feeling that they are very sure about you, and you not being so sure about them is just made them go into a shell, because they were expecting a lot from you and their expectations have been hurt. And maybe they feel that, what will society think about them, what will the people around them think about them, since they were very sure about you and things haven't worked out. But there is definitely love in this relationship. There is, I see that the relationships will prosper towards the end of this whole situation. It's just going to take some time for you to finally decide what you really want to do, but your person's feelings at this point in time are just hurt, and they're a little, taken aback. So they're just into a shell, and they will eventually come out of it once they feel that, okay, you are also committed towards them. But yes, their love for you has not changed. People who've chosen this pile, you just need to be wise enough and help yourself to understand what your person really means to you and what they have in mind for you. Learn, you need inner power, you need insights, you need more knowledge about this whole relationship. Maybe that's not very clear to you. And whatever this negative phase is, this negative planetary influences will be soon warding off. So just remember that it's just a time that you need to show your loyalty towards your person. Maybe you just need to give them that comfort that you are still there, you're loyal to them, and the solution is coming to you very soon. This relationship is, just things are just going to get sorted out in an unexpected manner soon, and that's what your person is also waiting for. Don't take any impulsive actions or commitments in an impulse. You need to think, you need to sit, wait and watch. Also, this is a time that you need to be patient, you need to have a strong will. Whatever you decide, this is, you cannot let things disturb you. And also, anything that's, not, if you've left your person hanging, if you've not given them that commitment, think about it, what exactly you want, because they are waiting, their feelings are true towards you. It's you who needs to decide. Don't let the other person be in a phase of just expecting, and you also don't have over expectations, because at the end of the day, if they are broken, don't expect them to really, show their love to you. So this is a time you need to just remember that don't live in an illusion. You need to think, you need to, seek insights, gain knowledge, and then finally give the right answer to your person. Also, stay away from any new temptations or a new romance coming in your life or anything, because there will be temptations. You might have a lot of choices. So taking the right choice, making the right choice at this point in time is very important. People who've chosen this pile, remove any negativity in your mind, relax, and don't have ill feelings about anybody, because that will not help you take the decision that you really need to. So that was for you, pile number 3, people who chose this pile. I hope the reading was resonant with you, Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.